Here's a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted a little bit to help bring out the colours. Basically it's been started to be ground down or cut through here with a saw, and left. It's got nice flashes of colour, electrics. It's a little bit crystal sort of nature, but still got plenty of material there to cut down, make it into a nice stone. It's got a natural convex shape on it. It's hard to know what it's going to be like underneath. I would expect something similar to this sort of flash, but whether it does or not I don't know, and I can't guarantee anything. But basically it's just that face. It's razor sharp. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.